Hello melons, so welcome to a new video. I'm Creepy Melon, and yeah, in the last episode we got a full set of iron armor and tools. Okay, so we also made a passageway and another house like we wanted, and in this episode I'm going to continue cutting down the tree. I'll just take these blocks. Okay. Oh, and in this episode I'm actually going to talk about stuff. I'm not going to mine hours. I will be playing and saying stuff. Okay. So yeah, the new series with Technic Pack. I'm actually going to review some of the mod packs, and sometimes I'll play them. And a new series that I thought would be nice is a mod review, but I think it will only happen if in the summer after my computer is fixed. Why? Because always when I put mods, it does work, but after a couple of mods, like after 10 mods that I've installed, my game's always crashing, and this will be only a 5-minute video. Yeah, so short on time. I need to hurry up because I'm going to a party of my brother. He has a birthday today. Yay! So yeah, no, I don't have food. So yeah, let's get this helmet off. So yeah, in my mod review series, I'm going to review some of my favorite mods and some mods that, if you will comment me and I will review the mods you want, except for shaders, because everyone knows what shaders are. And yeah, in the Technic Pack, mod pack reviews and gameplay series, I'm going to do all kind of stuff. And the first mod pack that I'm going to be playing, reviewing, is the O Gaming Craft Crazy mod pack. And after that video review, I'm going to play and record some of my gameplay. It's going to be a huge channel about Minecraft and only Minecraft. So yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm just going to do stuff. Okay. So yeah, let's get to the roof. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to talk about all kinds of stuff in the mod packs, like who made the mod pack, how much mods are there in the mod pack, and I'm going to review some of the mods, not everything, because a lot of mods in a lot of mod packs. I'll review like 10 mods that I found really good about the mod pack. Yeah, so yeah, the mod review, as I said, it's going to be the summer after my computer is fixed. I'm going to do like 20 mod reviews and then I'm over, because I don't really want to do every mod review. I'll do only my favorite and the ones you wanted. Oh, and you can, and in the summer I'll make live streams on Twitch. If you want, you can subscribe to my Twitch and watch the live streams every time I want. I'm going to upload them. I'm going to make a live stream every Wednesday in summer. Yeah, I'm going to do that after 2 Mappack reviews. I'm going to start doing the live streams. And yeah, we already passed 5 minutes. We're 5 minutes and a half. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll leave a schedule of what I do in the summer, my mod reviews, my Mappack, my live stream. Yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.